Segway Ninebot launched a feature-rich F-Series in 2021. There are 3 different kickscooters in F-Series: F25, F30 and F40. They differ from each other mainly in terms of battery life and motor power. The F40 is the most advanced one of the series. In this Segway Ninebot F40 review, we are going to reveal all its pros and cons and help you to decide whether this e-scooter is a good fit for you or not. Keep watching. The scooter came in a nice box. The assembling was really easy. I just had to take the scooter out of the box and attach the handlebar to the stem. Also, I had to download the Segway Ninebot app and make an account there. To unlock all the features of the scooter, I also had to follow the funny cartoon about how to use the electric scooter properly. After charging the battery, it was time to go for the first ride. Ninebot F40 comes with a 350 watt front hub motor. The motor is a bit more powerful than other similar electric scooters. For example, popular Xiaomi scooters and also other scooters from the Ninebot F series have 300 watt motors. Thanks to the slightly bigger motor, Ninebot F40 has somewhat higher top speed and better hill climbing capability. The scooter is able to reach the top speed of 18.6 miles per hour. To be honest, it's a sufficient speed for city rides. The scooter we have here is a European model, and due to the local laws, the top speed is limited to 25 km per hour, which is about 16 miles per hour. The acceleration of the scooter is very smooth and gradual. There is no zero start feature, so you have to make a couple of kicks before the scooter starts accelerating. You can choose between 3 riding modes: Eco, Standard and Sport. In Eco mode, the scooter goes only up to 9 miles per hour. Therefore, you can maximize the range. In Standard mode, you can reach the max speed, but the acceleration is not the best. It's the mode you will probably use the most. In Sport mode, the acceleration will be a bit more aggressive. It's useful when going uphill, but if you ride in this mode all the time, the battery will die quite fast. Ninebot F40 has a battery that can contain up to 367 watt-hours of energy. Compared to other F-Series scooters, F40 has the best battery. The F30 and F25 have batteries of 275 watt-hours and 183 watt-hours. It means that Ninebot F40 has much longer range than its smaller brothers. Speaking of which, the maximum range of Segway Ninebot F40 is about 25 miles. You can achieve that when riding in Eco mode, on flat surfaces and if you don't weigh much. A more realistic range would be about 15 miles, which is still quite good. If the battery gets completely empty, it takes about 6 to 7 hours to recharge. The scooter has 2 types of brakes, a mechanical disc brake at the rear and an electronic brake at the front. You can activate both brakes at the same time from the single brake lever on the handlebar. At first, I was disappointed about the stopping power. I weigh about 190 pounds and it took about 25 feet to stop me from the speed of 15 miles per hour. After adjusting the brakes, I managed to shorten the stopping distance to 15 feet. Now I can say that Ninebot F40 electric scooter provides enough stopping power for safe riding. The e-scooter comes with 10-inch wheels and pneumatic tires. Tires have an anti-skid feature that provides good ride quality on smooth terrain. However, since the scooter doesn't have suspensions, it's not good on the bumpy road. The handlebar of this Ninebot scooter is comfortable, nothing fancy there and not many buttons. I really like the grips, they don't move around and they provide a good grip. The frame is made from durable steel. It seems very strong and it can withstand a payload of up to 265 pounds. When riding with the scooter, you don't hear any rattling from the folding joints. The deck provides plenty of room. You can easily fit your feet however you like. Also, the deck has nice rubber on it, which provides a good grip underneath your feet. Although the handlebar is not collapsible, I would still classify Ninebot F40 as a very portable electric scooter. The scooter weighs just 35 pounds, making it one of the most lightweight electric scooters on the market. When folded down, the F40 fits easily in most trunks. The scooter has simple folding mechanism. The only problem is that the folding clasp is very tight. Not everyone are able to open it. But if it's opened, the rest is really easy. There is a very smart way to lock the handlebar when it's folded down. There is a hook on top of the rear fender which attaches perfectly on the bell on the handlebar. The scooter has all the necessary essentials, including the lights. It has a bright LED light at the front and red light at the rear. You must manually turn them on. However, the brake light works all the time even if the main lights are turned off. To sum it up, let's quickly recap some main pros and cons. Ninebot F40 has great build quality that is strong yet lightweight. It has dual brakes with enough stopping power. Big wheels and pneumatic tires provide good ride quality in urban environments. The scooter has reasonable range and an affordable price tag. On the other hand, the scooter has no suspensions and therefore it's not suitable for rough roads. Also, the scooter has no zero start feature, which is actually not a big deal. Anyway, riding with Ninebot F40 is definitely enjoyable. The design of the scooter is neat and modern, and it has everything to be an eco-friendly tool for short distance commutes. I'll leave the links and discount codes in the description. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.